Welcome to Tech with VI. This is the part 4 of learning HTML. In previous video, I have discussed how to create profile and folder in VS Code. In this video, I am gonna discuss how to do text formatting in HTML. Without much ado, let's get into the video. In this video, I am gonna discuss how to make any text bold, italic and underline, and how to apply color in HTML. I am going to open VS Code.
Format.html web dev Visual Studio Code.
I have saved the file and generate the boilerplate here.
Less body greater blank.
I am in blank line. First, let's understand how to make any text bold. To make any text bold, we have to use strong tag. Strong tag used to make any text bold. Here I am writing strong.
S suggestivity str comma proper R str o strong comma property level 1.
Here I got the strong tag. I am pressing enter here.
Format.html editor as autocomplete multi-line less.
Before closing the strong tag, I am writing some text.
Less. Strong greater less.
Here I am writing this is page.
T suggest list H thi form S space I S space format dot P A suggest list G for E space.
Friends, in previous video I have discussed one tag called BR. That tag here I am writing.
B suggest list B comma R BR comma property level 1 format.ht.
BR tag is very important, friends, in HTML, because when we want to break any line, that time we have to use this BR tag. So let's run this code and let's check this output. Text has applied bold or not.
Edit read only. Format.html editor as how to do text formatting in HTML Google Chrome window. How to do text formatting in HTML. This is page. This is page.
Friends, this is page. This is the output. This text has applied bold or not. We have to check the formatting here. To check formatting, we use the shortcut key command called insert plus F. Here I am pressing insert plus F.
Times New Roman 12 PT black on white bold line left.
This text is looking bold. If you wanna check this formatting manually, we have to press the shortcut key command same, but here we have to press F key twice. Here I am pressing.
Type unknown formatting. Times New Roman 12 PT black on white bold line left. Button copy control separator button copy control button close. Button close. Button copies align left. Bold. Black 12 PT. Times New Roman.
Friends, Times has applied New Roman.
12 PT.
Pixel is 12.
Black on white.
Color is black on white.
Bold.
And this text is looking bold and alignment is?
Align left.
Alignment is left.
How to do.
So let's now let's look at how to make any text italic.
How to do text formatting in HTML Google Chrome region toolbar Chrome but how to do format.html less HTML and less head less slash body greater.
Here I am creating one blank line.
Less. Blank.
Here I am typing em tag used to make any text italic.
E suggest list M comma property level 1.
I am pressing enter here.
Format.html editor at less.
Before closing the italic tag, I am writing some text.
M greater less.
Here I am writing hello HTML.
H suggest E head L O low space. H suggest T M L milliliters space format.h.
Here I am writing BR tag.
B suggest list B comma R BR comma property format.h.
I am saving this file. Now I am running the code.
Edit read only multi format.html editor. How to do text formatting in HTML Google Chrome window. How to do text formatting in HTML. This is page. Hello HTML. This is page.
Friends, this is page. This text is looking bold.
Hello HTML.
Hello HTML. Let's see how this text is looking. Let's check the formatting.
Times New Roman 12 PT black on white italic align left.
This text is looking italic. Now let's understand how to apply any color in web page.
Format.html web.
To apply any color in HTML, we have to use the attribute called bg color. We have to write this attribute in body tag.
Less band dot type 8 less head less slash head greater less strong greater is less slash less body greater.
Before the greater, I am giving one space.
Line feed greater. Space.
Here I am writing bg color. Bg color is the attribute to define in color in HTML.
Line feed greater.
Here I am writing bg color. Bg means background color.
B suggest list background comma value level 1.
Here I am pressing down arrow key.
Dollar comma value level 1.
Now I am pressing tab.
Format.html editor as autocomplete multi less.
Friends, let's see the code word by word.
B O D Y space.
This is the body tag. After body, here I have given one space. After space, here I have written bg color.
B G C O L O R.
Friends, after
Romeo.
writing any attribute, we have to use the symbol of equal to.
Equals.
After that, open the quotation
Quote.
and finally close the quotation.
Quote.
Between these quotations, here I have to write actual value. Here I am giving yellow.
Y E L O W.
Here I have given the value.
Yellow.
Let's save this and I am running this file.
Edit read only format.html editor. How to do text formatting in HTML dash Google Chrome. This is page. Hello HTML.
Friends, this entire body is looking yellow color. Let's check the formatting.
Times New Roman 12 PT black on right yellow italic align left.
This text has, this is page.
This is page.
This is looking bold and color has applied yellow.
Hello HTML.
And hello HTML is also looking italic and this color, this text is applied yellow color.
Times New Roman 12 PT black on right yellow italic align left.
Friends, today our final tag is how to make any text underline.
Format.html less HTML and equal less head greater less body goaler equal less m greater hello HTML less br greater less slash m greater.
I am creating another line here.
Line feed. Less f blank.
Here I am writing ins tag we use to make any text underline.
I suggest list I comma n in comma property s in comma property level 1.
I am pressing enter here.
Format.html editor less.
Before closing this tag, here I am writing some text.
Ins. Greater. Less.
Here I am writing web development.
W E format.b B space D E level V E such L O P M E N T augment space.
And after that I am using the tag br.
B suggest list BR comma property level format.h.
I am saving this. Now I am running the code.
Edit read only format.html editor. How to do text formatting in HTML dash group. How to do text formatting in HTML. Hello HTML inserted web development. Hello HTML inserted web development.
Friends, let's check the output. Web development has applied underline or not.
Times New Roman 12 PT black on right yellow underline the line left.
Okay, this text is looking underline.
Format.
Friends, in this video I have discussed how to do text formatting in HTML. In formatting I have discussed how to make any text bold, italic and underline, and finally I have discussed how to apply color in body. If you have understood this video, please like the video, share the video and do subscribe to my channel. Till then, keep learning and keep coding.
How to
Yeah.